Hey guys, I got my Pelican case in yesterday. It's a Pelican 1600 case. I got this for my paranormal equipment to basically replace this one because it's just too big, just haul around. That's the reason why I want to get something smaller. I love Pelican cases. That's all I've ever used. They have a pick and plug film. Let me open it up. And here it is. It has lock right here. Both lock on the sides. And it's made in USA too. I don't know if you can see the camera, you can see the pluck. So I have to figure out how to make my equipment fit and smaller, so what I'm probably going to have to do is put my millimeters in like sideways in here, like that, and my REM pod in like this way. But I want to put all my equipment in there first and see how it looks, because over time you'll be adding more equipment. That's the reason why I decided to replace that one, because the foam for these things are so damn expensive. So once I get it all together, I'll be making a video on that one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you want a case, I recommend a Pelican case. They're really proven to work and protect your equipment. I'm even planning on to get a Pelican case for my laptop. So anyways guys, this is this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other paranormal videos out.